Good morning, students. Welcome to 10th standard science class. Students, today's topic is solubility. Usually there is a limit to the amount of solute that can be dissolved in a given amount of solvent at a given temperature. When this limit is reached, we have a saturated solution and any excess solute that is added simply resides at the bottom of the solution. The extent of dissolution of a solute is near solvent can be better explained by its solubility. Solubility is measure of how much of solute can be dissolved in a specified amount of solvent. So it is solubility is defined number of grams of solute that can be dissolved in 100 gram of solvent to form its saturated solution at a given temperature and pressure. For example, 10 grams of sodium chloride or 10 grams of sugar dissolved in 100 gram of water to form its saturated solution. Okay. At 30 degree Celsius or 25 degree Celsius, any one given temperature. So, in this solution is called solubility. So, solubility of sugar. This is sugar solubility. The next, solubility means mass of the solute by mass of the solvent into 100. 100 means percentage. We find out percentage. Next, so solubility is equal to mass of solute by mass of solvent into 100. For example, the mass of solute 20 grams. The mass of solvent 100 grams into 100. So, we find out the final answer 20%. It is solubility of liquid. That's all. Next. Factors affecting solubility. First one, nature of solute and solvent. Second, pressure. Third one, temperature. So, solubility of salt in water is high than sugar. Molecules are same in solute and solvent. Okay. The polar and non-polar solvents are compounds. Dissolves readily in polar solvent like water. Next, pressure. Solute and solvent are gases. Pressure, solute and salt are gases. But carbon dioxide dissolved in water, that liquid gas example. So solubility of gases in liquids are carbonated beverages. Carbonated beverages. That is the example, soft drink, household cleanliness containing aqueous solution of ammonia. Formalin. Next, temperature. Effect of temperature, three process: exothermic, endothermic, isothermic. Generally, solubility of solid solute in a liquid solvent increases with increase in temperature. In this reaction, in exothermic, the solubility decreases with increase in temperature. So, here solubility decreases, temperature increases. Next, endothermic. In endothermic process, solubility increases with increase in temperature. So, in this process, so solubility increases, temperature also increases. The last one, isothermic. Isothermic. In this process, no heat. So, no heat. It is neutral basis in isothermic. A standard position. In isothermic process, no effect. No effect. Generally, water contains dissolved oxygen. When water is boiled, the solubility of oxygen in water decreases. So, oxygen escapes in the form of bubbles. So, aquatic animals live more in cold regions because more amount of dissolved oxygen is present in the water of cold region. This shows that solubility of oxygen in water is more at low temperatures. That's all. Concentration of solution. Concentration of solution may be defined as the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution or solvent. Quantitatively, concentration of solution may be expressed in different methods. First one, percent by volume. The amount of solute in a given volume of solution. The volume of solute in 100 volumes of solution. Next, percent by mass. The amount of solute in a given mass of solution. The mass of solute in 100 mass units of solution. Percent by mass is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Percent by volume is equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. That's all. The next topic is hydrated salts and water of crystallization. When ionic substances are dissolved in water to make their saturated aqueous solution, the ions attract water molecules which then attached chemically in certain ratio. This process is called hydration. The number of water molecules found in the crystalline substance is called water of crystallization. Such salts are called hydrated salts. This ionic substance crystallize out from the saturated aqueous solution with a definite number of molecules of water. Next, crystallization. So, water of crystallization. This ionic substance crystallize out from the saturated aqueous solution with a definite number of molecules of water. Already we have studied this concept. Crystallization means படிகமாக்குதல். Next, water of crystallization. The number of water molecules found in the crystalline substance is called water of crystallization. Such salts are called hydrated salts. So, some hydrated salts are given. Blue vitriol, that is copper to sulfate pentahydrate, Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, gypsum, calcium sulfate dihydrate, green vitriol, iron 2 sulfate heptahydrate, white vitriol, zinc sulfate heptahydrate. Salt. On heating these hydrated crystalline salt, they lost their water of crystallization and become amorphous or lost their color. Number of water molecules in blue vitriol is 5. So, its water of crystallization is 5. When blue colored copper sulfate crystals are gently heated, it loses its 5 water molecules and becomes colorless anhydrous copper sulfate. CuSO4, 5 molecules of water gives CuSO4 plus 5H2O. Sulfate pentahydrate after heating anhydrous copper sulfate plus water coming. So blue color changed after colorless. So if you add few drops of water or allow it to cool, the colorless anhydrous salt again turns back into blue color hydrated salt. From the figure what we can understand? Copper sulfate heating before after it changes. We can easily find out. Another one, hydrated copper sulfate and anhydrous copper sulfate changed process. That's next, crystals. Differences between crystalline solid, amorphous solid. The crystalline solid, that molecules are arranged in regular shape, but amorphous solid arranged irregular shape, not arranged properly. Crystalline solids containing short range as well as long range order, but amorphous solids may be at the most some short range order only. Then next, types of crystals: efflorescence, hygroscopy, deliquescence. So 3 types of crystals. These are 3 types of crystals. So what is Efflorescence. Certain substance when exposed to the atmospheric air at ordinary temperature, they lost the water of crystallization fully or partially. Such substances are called efflorescent substance and this property is called efflorescence. For example, sodium to SO4. Next, hygroscopy. Hygroscopy means ஈரம் உறிஞ்ச பொருள். Certain substance when exposed to the atmospheric air at ordinary temperature absorb moisture without changing their physical state. Such substances are called hygroscopic substance and this property is called hygroscopy. Hygroscopic substances are used as drying agent. Example, sulfuric acid, phosphorus, pentoxide, quicklime, silica gel. That's all. Next, deliquescence. Deliquescence means ஈரம் உறிஞ்சி கரைதல். Certain substance which are so hygroscopic when exposed to the atmospheric air at ordinary temperatures absorb enough water and get completely dissolved. Such substances are called deliquescent substance and this property is called deliquescence. Deliquescent substance lost their crystalline shape and ultimately dissolve in the absorbed water forming a saturated solution. Deliquescence is maximum when the temperature is low. The atmospheric is humid. For example, calcium chloride, caustic soda, caustic potash and ferric chloride. Okay students, that's all for today's class, today's homework. Students, watch this video again and again and get ready to read well this question and answers and then write the answers 3 times in your classwork note. After writing, send me the answers to my WhatsApp number. Thank you students. Wish you all success. God bless you.